Welcome to this episode of Estate Planning Secrets Revealed. I'm your host, Attorney Tony Bell, and today we are going to delve into a matter. It's a crucial topic: what to do when you cannot find the will of a deceased person. What do you do? So we're going to look at steps to take when you can't find a will. Now, the initial steps to take when you cannot locate the will is to stay calm and stay focused. Sometimes because of the urgency of the situation, most everyone knows that you only have 30 days from the time that the person dies to get a will filed with the court for probate. Within that 30 days, emotions are sky high a lot of times. You're planning for funerals. You're, just dealing with the emotions of grief yourself. And so during this time, if you cannot find the will, just take a moment. Stop. Breathe in deep and breathe out deeply and slow down a little bit. Allow yourself to feel the grief, and at the same time, allow yourself to oxygenate your brain and think a little bit more clearly, because that's the first step. It's natural to feel overwhelmed, but a systematic approach to attempting to locate a will is more helpful than the alternative. So take a moment, gather your thoughts, and then start the process of locating the missing will. Now, thoroughly searching for the will is key. Looking in the deceased person's home, especially in areas where important documents are usually kept. Safe deposit boxes or safes are other common locations where people will many times keep a will. They will often keep copies of important documents, including wills, in these safes or safe deposits. So you just taking the steps to do a comprehensive search will help you through this process. Just try to take your time, but not too long. Now, in today's digital age, if you are unable to find a physical copy of a will in the home, in all of the places where they possibly would be keeping important documents, and you've checked for any kind of safe deposit box, and you've not found anything, it's possible, since this is the digital age, that it's possible they may have stored their will online. So this may take a little bit of extra skill. However, so what you would want to do is to try to access, a laptop or computer, their email accounts or cloud storage for any indications of an online will, because there are online will services that people will use sometimes. And this may, as I said, require some technical savvy. However, it could lead to discovering an essential piece of the puzzle. Now, if you are still unable to locate the will, enlisting the help of the deceased person's attorney or estate planning professional could also be a crucial step. Sometimes the attorneys or estate planning professionals will maintain copies of wills for the decedent, and that's a lot of times what they will do. So if you are unable to find the will in a paper will, you've tried online, you've tried digitally, no success, try contacting their attorney or their estate planning professional who may have a copy. So these are keys and ideas for how you can find a will that's missing. Again, my condolences during this time. I know it's a difficult time for you, and just know that you will get through this time. I'm attorney Tony Bell, and this has been Estate Secrets Revealed. I look forward to seeing you in future episodes as we explore more concepts and parts of estate planning. We're here to see you get through this time and know that you have our support. Have a great day.